bahay ni Maya. Hello mga kalakhak! We are here at Panadora. I don't know the name of the hotel. Huh? Navarro Beach Resort. Yes. So here we go, here we go, here we go. We're gonna swim. The only down. Yes, we're going to swim on that. The good thing there is a kids area, kids pool, and then the adult one. I think that side will be the deep one. Okay, it's cool, nice place. I just had my shower mga kalakhak, and we are single today, no kids. Ayan, maliligo tayo ngayon na mag-isa na walang kasamang bata. Ang saya-saya. Hi. Hindi na kayo. Wow, what's that? Something window. So this is the poolside. Wow, bongga. O, diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Masaya lang tayo kasi wala tayong mga bata. Diba? Feel the feel. Happy po yan. Ni Maya, she is from Sri Lanka. And what do you do? She has a business, right? You have a business. Yes. And she's been married for how many years? 5 years, yes. So, she's a good baby. She's a good baby. So,
We also have situation in the book.
Do you have any advice for foreigner people here in Sri Lanka? What is your advice?
Foreign. I
Yes.
say, come to Sri Lanka.
Come to Sri Lanka. It's a very good advice. Yes.
Like they say, Habibi, come to Dubai. I
And?
say, Habibi, come to Sri Lanka.
So, masaya lang tayo. Actually, maganda dito. Kaso nga lang, the downside of this hotel or beach hotel is you cannot bring food or drinks in the pool. Or I mean, surrounded by the pool, you cannot bring any food or drinks. So you swim and then you go out like that. You can't make drink or do something. But the view, it's so good. It's so relaxing, Naren. It's okay. Asahite. Wala kayong makita mga bata. Ha? Nag-solo flight muna ako. At tinignan ko ang aking bagong bahay. Charot! Bagong bahay daw. Oh no! You do it again. Yes. Come. Yes, come. Enjoy na muna tayo. Lumayas na muna kasi ako sa bahay. Pinalayas na nila ako. Ayaw na. Ayoko na. Ayan, sumuko na ako sa hirap ng buhay. Kasama mga bata. Cheers. Niniwala naman kayo. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng Sprite, nakakalasing. Ayan na. So, nakita nyo, wala akong kasama dito. Ako lang talaga. Nag-solo lang talaga ako. Dahil, minsan kailangan natin sa buhay na mag-solo tayo. Lalo na, ang pagiging isang nanay ay isang mahirap na responsibilidad. Charot! Parang tanga lang ako. Sabihin ng mga kasama ko, baliw ako. Look, hi ni Maya. Hi, Satmi. Cheers, guys. Cheers. No. There you go. Katatapos lang namin mag-swimming pool. And now we are on the other side of the resort. A little bit. Look at that.